Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Food Anyway. Today we will bake a yummy mango cake in Food Anyway. As you know, it's a mango season and how can we let it go without getting full of it? If you're new to this channel, then welcome to Food Anyway, and if you're already a subscriber, then we are pleased to have you back. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss out any other recipe from Food Anyway. Okay, now the ingredients that are needed for our mango cake are quite basic, and you will love making this cake and you will love it more when you will have it. So first of all, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, half cup vegetable oil, sugar 1 and 1/4 cup, baking powder 1.5 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, fresh mango puree half cup, add sugar, oil and eggs in blender. Check your eggs before adding into the blender, they might be rotten or something. It's good to check them individually. And blend it for 3 minutes or till sugar is completely dissolved. If you want to know how to make mango puree in blender, you can check it on my channel and I will add the link in description box too. Now take out your mixture in a bowl and mix in the fresh mango puree. Mix it well. Sift in flour, baking powder and baking soda. Be careful about the quantity of baking soda, don't add it much or it will ruin your cake. Add the flour and every dry ingredient in batches. It's good to add in 2 batches or you can add in more batches if you want. Now gently fold it. Don't overfold the mixture. Just fold it so there is no lumps. If you are a beginner, I would suggest you to use wooden ladle for mixing and folding. It becomes easier with wooden ladle. I personally use it too. These are just little things that I've learned through my experience and I'm sharing it with you. Maybe you won't like it, but I think these things make your work easier. Now add in the second batch of your dry ingredients and gently fold again till there are no lumps. Add vanilla essence and mix the batter. Now grease the pan. Ideally 9 inches baking pan is good enough for this cake, but if you have any other pan you can use it. Now add your batter in your baking pan and gently tap your tin so there are no air bubbles remaining in the batter. Now bake it. I'm going to tell you how to bake it in oven and without oven. I'm telling you both the procedures. So if you are baking it in oven, preheat your oven for 5 minutes and then bake it for 50 to 60 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius or till your knife comes out clean. Or if you are baking it in pot, then preheat your pot for 5 minutes on high flame, then bake it for 50 to 60 minutes on low medium flame. So our cake is ready and it smells lovely. I wish you can too experience it. So you can too experience it by baking it one for yourself. Now circulated knife around it. I have used spring pan, but it's good to be precautious. Let the cake get completely cool. It will come out easily from the mold, and it will taste good too. The cakes that contain fruits like banana, mango, and any other fruit, uh, they they taste yummier when they are completely cool. I baked this cake in pot, and you can see how lovely it is. And baking in pot is quite easy, and I find it more convenient than baking in oven. It depends totally upon person, but if you want to know more about baking in pot, you can check it on my channel. I have explained each and everything in detail in that video. I will add the link of that video in description box so you can find it easily. Do try this recipe and share your experience with us on Facebook or Instagram. You can find this video on our IGTV too. Do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.